We are gradually coming to an end in this course, plumbing. We'll be looking at Module 9, recent developments in plumbing, advanced systems, innovation, and competitive advantage. So this module explains modern plumbing technologies in full details, focusing on how they work, where they are used, and how they create income opportunities for plumbers. So by way of module objectives, this module aims to introduce learners to recent developments and innovations shaping the plumbing industry, enabling them to move beyond traditional practices and adopt modern solutions. By the end of the module, learners will understand key advancements such as smart plumbing systems, eco-friendly features, PX piping, solar water heating, and digital tools, and explain how these technologies improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance service delivery. Furthermore, learners will be able to apply these modern concepts in real-life context by recommending appropriate solutions for clients, improving water conservation, adopting new materials and installation methods, and using digital tools to enhance professionalism and business operations. The module ultimately prepares learners to remain competitive, meet evolving client demands, and position themselves as forward-thinking professionals in the Nigerian plumbing industry. By way of introduction, plumbing is no longer limited to pipes and fittings. The industry is now integrating electronics, automation, and sustainability systems. This shift changes the role of the plumber from a repair worker to a system specialist who understands both water and technology. So those who adapt gain access to higher paying jobs, while those who ignore these changes risk becoming outdated. So smart plumbing, what is smart plumbing? This combines sensors, connectivity, and automation to monitor and control water usage. Instead of waiting for problems to occur, these systems will detect issues early and respond automatically. So it's not shifting from reactive maintenance to predictive maintenance. Smart system, what are the components? So for this smart plumbing, these are the components. It involves sensors, control units, and a communication systems. Sensor will detect water presence or flow change, while the control unit will process the data and communication will send alerts, allowing real-time monitoring. Smart leak detection, how it works. So leak detectors use conductive sensors. When water touches both contact, an electronic circuit is completed. This will trigger a signal that is sent to the central or mobile device. This process happens instantly, allowing early detection before visible damage occurs. Now, what is the real impact of this small leak detection? A small leak under a sink can go unnoticed for weeks, causing wood rot, mold growth, and structural damage. Smart detection prevents it by alerting the user. This reduces repair cost and prevents property damage. For how do you install? Devices are installed near high-risk areas such as under the sink, behind the toilets, and near water heaters. Installing this involves pairing the device with a mobile application and testing the response. Let's look at smart water meters. What are smart meters? They continuously measure the water flow and the consumption and send details to application showing the patterns over time. It allows you to detect abnormal usage. Now, let's look at the diagnostic value. A sudden increase in usage without visible leaks indicates there's a hidden pipe damage. This will help the plumber to locate problems faster and reduce unnecessary wall breaking. It improves efficiency and professionalism. Now, for the business opportunities, clients who install smart systems are typically higher income clients, which is true. They are willing to pay more for advanced systems and maintenance. Let's look at the core idea of eco-friendly plumbing. Eco-plumbing involves reducing water waste without affecting your performance. It combines technology and design to improve efficiency. In Nigeria, this directly reduces water cost and improves sustainability. Let's look at low flow features, the mechanism. Low flow features use aerators and pressure control to reduce water usage. Air is mixed with water to maintain pressure while reducing volume. This ensures performance remains strong despite lower flow. Let's look at savings, low flow features savings. Reducing flow from 50 L min to 8 L per minute cuts water usage almost in half. Over time, this significantly reduces water bill. This is especially important in areas with irregular water supply. Let's look at the operation of low flow toilets. Modern toilets use dual flush systems to control water usage. A small flush is used for liquid waste, while a larger flush is used for solids. This will reduce your water consumption. Then let's look at the water systems. The grey water is a wastewater from sinks, showers, and washing machines. So instead of discarding it, it can be filtered and reused. This will make water available in households. The system flow in grey water, how it works. Water is collected from outlets, filtered, and stored in a separate tank. It is then reused for irrigation or toilet flushing. Let's look at PEX piping, PEX. PEX is made from cross-linked polyethylene, giving it flexibility and durability. The cross-linking process strengthens the material and improves temperature resistance. This makes it suitable for both hot and cold water systems. How do you install? What are the advantages? PEX can bend around corners, reducing the need for fittings, which is true. Fewer joints means fewer leak points. This simplifies installation and reduces the labor time. Limitations involve PEX will degrade under UV exposure like the sun, making it unsuitable for outdoor use. It also requires specialized tools and it is very expensive. Let's look at solar water heating. Solar heaters use sunlight to heat water through collectors. Heated water is stored in a tank for later use. So this reduces electricity dependence, especially in Nigeria that would not have electricity. Solar heating. Let's look at the passive systems. Passive systems rely on natural circulation. Hot water rises into the tank without pumps. They are simple and low maintenance. Then we have active systems. Active systems use pump and controllers to move water. They are more efficient for large buildings, but they are complex and more expensive. Then what are the requirements? Roof must receive consistent sunlight. It must support the tank weight. And safety valves must be installed to prevent pressure buildup. Then what's the economic advantage? After installation, solar systems provide almost free hot water. They reduce electricity bills significantly. Then the payback period is usually a few years. Then we have digital tools. Let's look at digital tools. Digital tools are transforming plumbing businesses. They improve communication, tracking, professionalism. We have invoicing systems. Apps allows plumbers to generate professional invoice instantly. This improves payment speed and client trust. It replaces the informal payment methods. Then we have client management systems. CRM stores client information, job history, and preference. This improves the service quality and follow-up. It also helps you to manage large client database. Plumbers using digital systems appear more professional because clients will trust these businesses more and you have better income. How do you combine technology and skill? Modern plumbing requires both technical skill and technological understanding. Those who combine both have a strong advantage. They can solve problems faster and offer better services. Now, where is plumbing going to? What is the future of plumbing? Future of plumbing will involve automation, sustainability, and data analysis. Plumbers will become system managers rather than just repair workers. Continuous learning will also be very essential. Now, by way of conclusion, this module shows that plumbing is evolving rapidly. Those who adapt gain higher income, better clients, long-term relevance. The plumber who learns continuously will always stay ahead of the market. So that will be all for this module. I'll see you in the last module.